Ew. Somebody's got chocolate in their mouth and they're trying to brush their teeth with a singing toothbrush. And
Mickey,
they're
can
trying
you
to
dance?
sing the song at the
Dance
same
with your
time.
toothbrush
Sing.
and sing. Sing. Oh, what's that? Yeah. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one.
What he doesn't realize is that the toothbrush will keep going until we turn it off. So he'll just never quit brushing his teeth.
No, it says it goes for 2 minutes. I read the back of it.
Oh darn. It's still going though.
Well, I guess 2 minutes is enough. It's to encourage brushing your teeth for 2 minutes, I guess. I don't know. You want to push it off now? Push the button right there.
No, don't push it off. I want to see how long it'll go.
I think we finally figured out how to shut it off, or it shut itself off. One or the other.